welcome to my rusty garage. Today we are working on this Hyundai i30 FD renewing the coolant. I'll show you the full process step by step, including draining the coolant and bleeding the cooling system properly. Wait until the engine is completely cold before opening the radiator cap. Coolant can reach over 100 degrees Celsius. That's really hot. I work on cars every day and I have learned when it is safe to do it and how to do it. But this is really dangerous. Press down, turn to the left, release, press down again and turn to the left again. That's how you remove a radiator cap. The drain plug is located at the lower section of the radiator. Now, we open the drain plug slowly and allow the coolant to drain completely. Make sure to catch all coolant and dispose of it responsibly. Remember, coolant is toxic. Once the system is fully drained, reinstall and tighten the drain plug. It doesn't need to be super tight. Remember to clean properly the draining area. Coolant has a very particular smell, which can stay there if not removed. Now I refill the cooling system using a spill-free fan. This tool makes the bleeding process much easier by allowing trapped air to escape. Ensure you are using the correct coolant. And as well, there are two options in the market. Concentrated, which you have to mix with water, and premix, the one that I'm using right now, which is ready to use. Add coolant until the funnel is full. Squeezing the hoses will help air trapped inside to get out of the system. I will be doing this many times during the process. Start the engine and allow it to reach operating temperature. It will take around 15 minutes. And keep an eye on the coolant level as air works its way out of the system. I'll be following the temperature with a scan tool, so I know that the engine is not overheating. Once the engine has warmed up, I'll give it some throttle to keep it revving around 2500 RPM. As the thermostat opens, trapped air will purge through the funnel. You need to be sure that you are topping up coolant as needed until bubbling stops. In one point, the fan will be commanded by the ECU to start operating. It means that you are nearly finishing. You should wait for the fan to turn on twice, and then you are done. If there are no remaining bubbles, we can conclude the repair. And now just reinstall the cap. Make sure the cap is properly installed. Check the overflow bottle and go for a road test. And that's the coolant service completed on this Hyundai i30 FD. Many cars are the same. Hit the like button if you like it, and remember, if you are able to do this, you are able to do much more in your car. See you the next time.